We're always trying to provide the best overall products for each one of our homeowners. We obviously trust IKO. My name's Caleb Wilkinson. I'm the owner of Alpine Roofing. This is my personal house. We're actually installing Glacier. I think it's going to look really good on this house. This is the IKO Dynasty shingle that we're installing today. It's a full roofing system, so from the underlayment to the ice and water shield, to the starter, to the Dynasty shingle itself. Again, it's a class 3 impact shingle. It's 130 mile-an-hour wind resistant. We get really bad storms here, and we truly get 4 seasons. It gets really cold, it gets really hot, it gets really windy. We're just confident in the overall products. One thing we really love about the IKO Dynasty is the collar selection. There's tons of collars to choose from for each homeowner, and you can truly find a collar that fits just about every roof. IKO, I think, aligns with our values. That starts with a overall good roof. We want to make sure that we're installing the up-to-date products, good products. It's important because we're installing something that's going to be on their roof for years to come, and we just want to make sure that they are comfortable because their family's living there every day, and it all starts from the roof down.